do me a favor.
Oh, it's on this. Here.
All right, do me a favor.
A man named Derek Norwood and a woman named Stephanie, on February 27, 2023, in Lake Stevens, Washington, police conducted a traffic stop of a vehicle due to the paint color not matching up with the registration. Soon, police discovered that Derek had outstanding warrants. Stephanie also had warrants, but officers were not able to confirm them. Police approached the vehicle and informed Stephanie that the vehicle was supposed to be green. He then asked for the license, registration, and license. She told him that the vehicle belonged to a friend.
Hi.
Hello, reason for the stop is this car comes back green. It's not green.
I know I painted it.
You painted it. Okay, you get license, registration, proof of insurance, please?
I have the register. I don't have insurance.
Okay.
It's not even my car. It's not my car. I'm borrowing my friend.
Do you know whose car it is?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah, it's Alan's car.
Okay.
That's where I live. I'm just using it to get groceries.
You got your license on you?
Yeah. Here's my wallet. It's back here and all the groceries. Hold on.
All right, sounds good.
Sorry about that.
Not a problem.
Just got done grocery shopping.
And you don't have insurance on this thing?
I don't think he does. No, it wouldn't be in my name anyway. It's not my car. I could get like mistaken.
You're still liable for insurance if you're driving somebody else's car.
I could look and see if he has the paper in here.
Okay, yeah, just keep on looking. Just keep an eye on the passenger.
Oh.
They don't know. All right, do me a favor.
Oh, it's on this. Here.
All right, do me a favor. Take the keys out of the ignition.
I already did.
Okay, put your hands on the steering wheel.
Okay.
Keep them on the steering wheel for me.
Okay, I will.
Don't move them off the steering wheel. Thank you very much. Derek.
The officers then asked Derek to open his door. However, Derek refused to comply. The cops informed him that he had warrants. They warned him they would break the window if he did not comply.
Derek, open the door.
Derek, open the door.
Hey,
Open the door.
hey, Derek, open this door. This door.
Open the door. You're under arrest. Open the door.
You got a warrant for your arrest. Don't play games, bud.
Okay, you do.
Derek Norwood.
That's not me. That is you.
Who are you? You look just like Derek Norwood.
James Corley. James Corley, you got ID to prove it? I don't have an ID on me. Okay,
Yeah,
so
you're facing additional charges, bud.
okay,
Keep playing these games.
come out of the car, dude. Right now you have a DOC warrant. You're under arrest. If you don't step out, I'm going to break the window and drag you out.
They advised him to cooperate with their commands. Stephanie pleaded with Derek to open the door. After he opened the door, he was quickly apprehended by the officers. The cops said that they would have allowed him to say goodbye to Stephanie.
Yeah, I'm willing to do that as long as you cooperate with what I'm asking you to do.
Let me just say goodbye.
He's gonna go. He's gonna go.
Hey,
He's gonna open
we're
it
not
now.
playing games.
Open the door,
I hear
babe.
you.
Babe,
I hear you.
the
Let me
door.
say. Unlock the door.
Open
Now.
the door.
We're gonna smash the window.
Just open the door, babe.
All the way. Open it or I'm going to bust it.
No, he's gonna
You're
open
under
it.
arrest.
He's gonna open it.
Do what I'm telling you to do.
19241
Let you
resisting.
kiss me.
I'm not
Open
resisting.
the door, babe.
Open the door, Derek. It's gonna be a bad day.
Kiss me. Kiss me.
Unlock the door.
Kiss me.
We'll let you say goodbye. You just gotta
Okay, go. Baby,
get out of the car.
Face away from me when you come out of the car, Derek. Stay like that. Put your hands behind your back.
That was silly, Derek. What are you doing, man?
Stupid. Especially when we're more than happy to
I know.
let you say goodbye.
Bro.
Yeah, it is.
Yes.
That's resisting.
Absolutely. We're totally cool. We would have let you say goodbye, no problem. Keep your eyes on the driver.
One of the officers then escorted him to the police cruiser. He said he was arrested for the warrants only, and not for resisting. The officer then searched him for security reasons. Derek was then placed inside the cruiser.
All right, Derek, come with me. Go over to the driver's side. Keep your eyes on her. 19241 in custody. Go ahead, open there. Face the car. All right, you're under arrest for your warrant only at this time.
Where else would I be arrested?
Resisting. Or failure to obey, whatever you want to call it. You know, pick your choice. You know, when we ask you to open the door, you just gotta open the door, brother. You know what I mean? Spread your feet, man. Can you spread your feet, please, Derek? Please. Thank you. Just keep your eye on Are you good? Okay.
Oh,
So
give that to her.
just give that to her. Same with the matches.
Yeah.
Okay. So you just check in with your DOC officer or what?
Yeah.
Do you have anything else on you, hidden at all, anything like that? No, sir? Okay. This way. All right, just face the car for me. Thank you. Stand by. Keep an eye on him. Sir. Hold on. Gotcha. Seatbelt. What's that? Well, it depends. She might be going to jail too. She's got several warrants.
She's been revoked. I'm going back to prison.
Gonna have a seat. I'll have her say goodbye. If she's not going to jail for her warrants, I'll have her come and say goodbye, okay?
The officer then informed Stephanie that she had multiple warrants. However, as the warrants were from different counties and the officers could not confirm them, they would let her go. They also told her that they would allow her to say goodbye to Derek after they patted her down.
Alright, so here's the deal.
Yeah.
King County, they're not, all your other warrants are Island County, King County, they're not going to confirm on that stuff.
Yeah, they're just, yeah. I've had them for a long time. I really need to just go take her. I'm really going to go do that.
Right.
I just found out I was pregnant and stuff, so I got to take care of that stuff.
You're pregnant.
Right.
Okay.
That's what I just found out, so that's why I got to do all this stuff.
Is Derek dead?
Yeah.
Okay. So, we treat people with respect around
I
here.
believe that's definitely.
He wants to say goodbye to you.
Okay.
I'll let that happen. We just got to frisk you for weapons first, okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
And then he can't take this with him. This is a vape and some matches.
Yeah, he can't take that. Okay. Where'd I put the keys? I just had them on my lap here. I don't know where.
I copy.
Stephanie then talked with Derek. After she returned to her vehicle, the officer told her that she would be issued a warning. After advising her to be mindful in the future when borrowing someone's vehicle, he allowed her to leave the scene. Derek was then transported to jail.
We'll have you grab the keys. You can tell me that, okay? And then I'll pick up all the things with this traffic stop. Okay? Sorry we had to raise our voice.
Okay.
All right, this way.
Good.
And what's your first name again?
Stephanie.
Stephanie, that's right.
Oh, that's right.
So he just wants to say goodbye real quick. He thinks he's going to go for a while.
Yeah.
So, all right, Derek, here's Stephanie. She wants to say goodbye real quick.
Okay. Let me just, I told you to take care of it. We're taking care of it now. You remember my number, right? You do?
Well, not the new one.
What do you
But I
mean?
know the one
This-
that.
253
1303.
4312.
What is it?
It's 253.
Oh, that's right.
Okay.
What about the state one?
I don't ever. I mean, I haven't used it in over 30 days.
Make sure Derek has this.
Okay. Is it where
I don't know my mom's number.
you don't know your mom's number?
So when I call you, have that?
Yeah.
Baby, ain't somebody on the phone.
I will. I will. I love you.
I'm going to school.
Okay.
Right now he's going to go to Snohomish, so he'll be there for
You'll
a
be in
bit.
county, so you'll be able to make a call and booking. Okay. I love you.
You want your wallet to go to jail, yeah? Or with, you want to go with Stephanie?
I need my wallet.
Yeah,
Okay.
he needs it.
Yep, roger that.
Very good.
All right, so here's the deal. So you're going to get a warning on the traffic. Go ahead and
Okay.
re-enter your car.
My keys are not right there.
Where's the keys at? It's on the dash.
Oh, okay.
So here's your driver's license, right?
Okay. Thank you so much.
So he's going to Snohomish County.
Okay.
So just remember, when you're driving somebody else's car, just remember, be aware of what you're driving, insurance, because you're liable for all that stuff, okay?
Okay. Yeah.
Roger that.
Okay. Thank you so much. Am I good to go then?
You're good to go.
Okay. Thank you.
Yep. All right, sir. Come on out. Walk to that door over there.
Derek was arrested for his previous outstanding warrants. While Derek was caught by the police because of sheer luck,